in trying to do what he wants. If you do something that someone wants, then they will notice you. This is the whole purpose of our International Society for Krishna Consciousness. There is no other purpose. It is not a temple building movement. It is not a farming movement. It is not even a book distribution movement. The book distribution is so that the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra can spread far and wide. That is the only purpose of book distribution. If you forget the purpose of this movement, then everything is Shrama Eva Hi Kevala. You can experience it. Right now, we experienced this. You don't need anyone to tell you that you experienced it because you experienced it. And you can do it every day. Nothing is stopping you. All of you are here. You came together. Don't think that this Sankirtan was done by me or him. If it was just the two of us, we would look like crazy people. But because we had so many crazy people, then it has some effect. Please do this as much as possible. Srila Prabhupada will be most pleased. Our book distribution will become a success. Our temple building will become a success. Only if the prime benediction for humanity at large, the complete culmination of all transcendental knowledge, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam, is being done. Param, you know what Param Vijayate means? Param means supreme. Krishna. Param Vijayate means this thing can defeat Krishna. So please, this is our endeavor. Actually, this is Radharani's movement. And Radharani's movement means it's an endeavor to defeat Krishna. And we can defeat him by Param Vijayate. Shri Krishna Sankirtan. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai! Ki Jai!